your question I will solve it, no problem, but I have one doubt on this problem. It has come in your gate 20204 for electrical engineering. Okay, maybe this question it has come for other branches, you must check it. So this is there are some doubts on this question. I will just clear you the doubts. Doubt is this: they have asked Ashish, he is from Delhi, and he has asked this question: the number of purely real elements in the lower triangular representation of the given 3 into 3 matrix obtained through the given decomposition 2 3 3 3 2 1 3 1 7. That is the 3 into 3 matrix is equal to, this is a lower triangular matrix and this is also lower triangular matrix, but it's a transpose. So A11 0 0, A12 A22 0, A13 A23 A33. Then A11 0 0, A12 A22 0, A13 A23 A33. So what will be the total number of answer? A is equal to 8, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 9 and D is equal to 6. He has not asked total number of minimum number of element or maximum number of elements. So this is question. According to this mathematics, this question is wrong. The number of purely real elements in the lower triangular representation of the given 3 into 3 matrix obtained through the given decomposition, means you have to multiply at first. So I will not waste your time. So if you multiply the both of the matrix, then so at first you have to multiply this A1100. How to multiply? You go again in the previous lecture. Okay, how to multiply two matrix A23 and A33. So you have to multiply and it's transpose. Transpose means this A1100 and this, and it means that A12 and A22. You have to change the row to column. Okay, so A13, A13 and A23, A23 and A33, A33. Now you have to multiply this row and this column. Okay, then you will get A11 square. Then you will multiply this and this. Then you will get A11, A12. Okay, then you multiply this and this. Then A11, A13. Similarly, you will multiply, then you will get such type of result. I will write it. Not to waste your time. A12, A11 already we have solved. Okay, plus A22 whole square, then A13, A12 plus A23 and A22, then at last A11, A13 and A12, A13 and plus A23 and A22, and last row, last column A13 whole square plus A23 whole square plus A33 whole square. So this is your matrix. Your matrix is, this is the first row first column, first row second column and first row third column. So that is the another second row first column, and this is second row second column, and the whole one is second row third column. This is the first one, third row first column, and this is the second one, third row second column, and this is the third one, and this is the third row third column. This is the 3 into 3 matrix. If you multiply, then you will get this one. So you have to compare this to this, 2 3 3 and 3 2 1 and 3 1 7. Why this is wrong question? After decomposition, they have not asked the number of purely real elements in the lower triangular matrix representation of the given 3 into 3 matrix obtained through the given decomposition. If you will decompose, then you will get this one. He is not asking how many elements are. If how many elements, just listen, how many, he has not asked how many minimum or maximum number of purely real elements. He has not asked. So after decomposition, this is equivalent to this. So you can also take from here, the first one is, so how many, this is the symmetric matrix. So So the symmetric matrix total number of elements, maximum number of elements and minimum number of elements. Okay, minimum is 0 and maximum number of elements is equal to n square minus n upon 2 means this plus n. So that is the total number of maximum number of elements in the symmetric matrix. Okay, how to find? Already we have solved such type of problem in last previous year lecture. Okay, plus 2n upon 2. So this is n square plus n upon 2. So total number of maximum number of elements in symmetric matrix are here. So but here total number of different element 2, 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can also count. So total number of 6 element. Total number of 6 element are here, but they have asked after decomposition. If you will compare this and this, then your result is different. I will just show you. If you will compare this A11 square is equal to 2. It means that A11 is equal to plus minus square root of 2. Okay. Similarly, if you will compare A11, A12 is equal to 3. So A11 is equal to this. So A12 is equal to 3 upon plus minus square root of 2. Now you have to compare this also. So A11, A13, this is equal to this is equal to 3. So A13 is equal to 3 upon A11 is equal to plus minus square root of 2. So there are total number of 3 real roots. One is this, okay. Second is this, okay. And third one is this, 3. And you must note that is the symmetric matrix. This and this both are same. This and this both are same. And this both are same. Okay, this and this both are same. So no need to find the lower elements. We have to find only the upper elements. This element we have find, this element we have find, and this element we have find. Now we have to find this and the last one. Okay. So what is this? Let us check it. So your A12 whole square plus A22 square is equal to this is equal to 2. Now A12, what is A12? A12, that is 3 upon plus minus square root of 2 whole square plus A22 square is equal to 2. So this is 9 upon 2. So it will become here A22 whole square is equal to 2 minus 9 upon 2. 4 minus 9 is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So A22 is equal to plus minus I square root of 5 upon 2. So this is the value, that is the imaginary. So this is not real. So if A22 is not real, so this is not real, this is real, this is real, and this is also real. There are 3 real, this is not real. So this is, what is this? Now you can also use your mind. This is imaginary. A13, what is A13? A13, A11, A12, A13. A13 is real, this is real. A12, what is A12? That is also real. Real plus real is equal to real. So this is 2, 3. We have to find 2, 3. A22 is imaginary. So imaginary, real. So this is real. So real plus A23 plus into imaginary. Imaginary is equal to you have to compare 1 with 1. Okay, because this is the third value. Okay, 1 first, second, third. First, second, third. This is the third value. So 1 minus real is equal to, so A23 into imaginary is equal to 1 minus real is equal to again real. 1 minus real is equal to again real. Okay, so A23 is equal to real upon imaginary is equal to imaginary. So A23 is equal to imaginary. So A23 is equal to imaginary. Your A23 is equal to imaginary, or A23 is equal to imaginary. So A11 is real, A12 is real, A13 is real, A22 is imaginary, and A23 is imaginary. Now the last one, this A13. What about A13? A13 already we have find, okay, and A23, that is imaginary whole square. Maybe it is real, okay, and Y, okay, that is real, and that is also real. So this is maybe this is real. A33 is real, okay. So but we are finding total number of 3 real element, but they have asked the answer is 8, 5, 9, 6. There is no such type of, maybe 833 is real or imaginary, but there are total number of 3 real. 1, 2, 3. You can check 1, 2, 3. Only 3 elements are real. And the last one, 833, maybe it is real or imaginary. Okay, it is real. Already we have checked this is real. So this is also real. So total number of 4 real elements. But he has asked how many real elements. Okay. So there are only in the lower triangular form. So this is real, this is real, this is real. This is imaginary. Already we have checked. A22 is imaginary. In the lower triangular matrix, he has asked in a lower triangular representation of after decomposition. So this is real, this is real, this is real. Okay. This is imaginary. Already we have find. This is imaginary. We have find. Okay. This is imaginary. This is real. Okay. So there are only 4. Maybe this is or no. You can check. But I have find that this is also real. So there are only 4 real. But here, but the answer is not here. Okay. So this question is wrong. Okay, and he has also not asked the minimum or maximum. So my suggestion to everyone, the correct answer it will be 6. You will use only 2 or 3 seconds to analyze. If you multiply the both of the matrices, then you will get the same result. Now you can check. This is the symmetric matrix. In the symmetric matrix, the formula is n square plus n upon 2, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total number of 6 real elements. Within 2 or 3 seconds, you have to answer it. Okay. Just don't check here. If you read this question, then you will confuse, you will waste your time, and you will never get success. Okay. I think that you get your question mark. You have written the question mark on the question. Okay, that is the correct answer. Okay, this question is wrong. Okay, according to mathematics. Now, the second message, they have asked that please solve the some aptitude problem for the electrical engineering. Okay, and Rohit, Ashish and Shailendra, they are from Indore. Okay, and Rachi, and also from Ranchi, one student, he is from Pappu and Pardosh, they are from UK, and Aman, he is from Kurukshetra. Okay, and they have asked again, Aman, okay, you have written that please solve some question for the aptitude. Okay, I will solve some question for the aptitude, and okay, I will erase it, then after then I will solve it.